Good day. We are going to present our assessment tool entitled MLM Firstborn Young Adult Academic Stress Test. We are the test designers. I am Shulamite Maat.
I am Kay Patrice A. Laude.
And I am Lauren Mangahis, and for our related literature, we provide a few related literature to further support our assessment tool. According to Giffer et al. 2003, firstborn children are not only identified with authority figures but also this authority attempt to please them by performing academically. And Giffer et al. 2003 says that firstborn must continue to assert their work ethics in order to stay one step ahead in additional sibling. Another related literature is from Lehman, 2009. According to him, the firstborn children actually the most reliable and leadership of the siblings because the firstborn children has a right to manage themselves as well as his her siblings. Also, they are concerned with their achievement and tend to be more serious than their siblings. Research also shows that firstborn is more perfectionist, critical, and independent just not because the way they used to be, but also the effect of firstborn children. The purpose of this study is designed to measure the level of academic stress of firstborn young adults.
Our tests are consist of 114 statements. We have three facets and they are the academic pressure, family pressure, and the self-pressure. Each facet has a 38 statements. A Likert scale is the type of rating scale that we use to measure the academic stress of the firstborn young adults. It comes with 1. Very much like me, 2. Somewhat like me, 3. Not so much like me, and 4. Not at all like me. The qualified for this test are the firstborn young adults ages 18 to 23 years old, that is a grade 12 senior high school to fourth year college students. Our test underwent a validation process with the three validators. So this is what our test looks like in actual. We have 279 respondents that gathered in just 2 days of pilot testing, and we only choose 100 respondents to test the reliability of our assessment tool.
To discuss the psychometric properties of our assessment tool, we use the Cronbach's alpha to determine the validity of this test. After computing the responses using the Cronbach's alpha formula, we have acquired a validity score of 0.95, which means that the test is valid. Moving on to the reliability, we use the split half method to assess internal consistency of our test. The table shows the different reliability score of each facet. The first facet is the academic pressure. Again, we use the split half method to compute for the reliability score. The table shows the score of 0.73, which means that this facet is valid and consistent. Second facet is the family pressure. The reliability score of this facet is 0.88. And this is higher than the first one. And this simply means that this facet is valid and consistent as well. For the last facet, which is the self-pressure, by looking at the table, the reliability score is 0.85. And this facet is valid and consistent. So to sum it up, the academic pressure facet reliability score is 0.73. The family pressure facet reliability score is 0.88. The self-pressure facet reliability score is 0.86. And the validity score of this facet is 0.95. In conclusion, family pressure is the highest factor why Firstborn young adults experience academic stress, and academic pressure is the least factor that contribute to the participants' academic stress. And that is the end of our presentation. Again, I'm Shulamite Jimaat.
And I am Hipa Felipe Laude.
And I am Lauren Mangahis.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.